Good evening, folks. I wanted to explain some of the information. Whoever joined in the May, June, July, whoever finished some basic concepts of Core Java, SQL, REST Web Services, and passed out 18 or before and looking for developing a project, those people please involve in the full stack project development. Try attending all classes related to Java full stack project development. Both server side and client side we will be developing, and we will be going through every phase of project development. It will be very easy to get placed in the industry, especially the people whoever joined in the May batch, June batch, July batches and not placed, and also 18 or before passed out, and even completely Core Java, SQL got over, REST Web Services, Spring Boot got over. Those people try attending full stack project development. Take serious. We can finish up entire project in a span of 1 to 1.5 months, including the skills like Spring Security, the total client side Angular. Already we finished the data JPA, REST Web Services. The total project we can able to finish. My sincere advice to all the people, whoever 18 pass out and before, whoever from May batch, June batch, July batch, whoever not placed yet, and whoever attended Core Java, SQL, REST Web Services, those people try involving in this. Within 1 month, 1.5 months, we'll finish up that, we'll finish up this, and we will place you. Move to the second one, SFCC. Within 1 month, we are starting SFCC. This will be mainly for September and August and September batches. Whoever interested to travel in the SFCC, those people, we will start within a week. Within a week, please try to update to me, whoever interested. So here, more sincerity, seriousness very much required. This time, we are planning to start a batch with more people, all interested from August and September batches. Try enrolling for SFCC. You don't require to pay additional fees. You can just update to me whether you are interested or not. So in the SFCC, 3 months training will be 1 month placement. It will take 4 months maximum. Within 4 months, you will be able to join in the Salesforce Commerce Cloud, which is one of the toughest technology and high paid technology. I personally recommend this for all the people. I'm seeing the growth of employees in the SFCC. So definitely it's very recommended for the people who are very serious in their career. I will try considering even October batch. Some of the people who knows already some extent of Java. And if I'm not finding more people from August and September batches, then I'll consider some of the very sincere candidates for SFCC from October batch. But compared to October batch, previous to October, September, August, and before batches only most suitable, most suitable for SFCC. Then Python classes, very few people only attending now. I thought of starting right from the beginning. Even October batch people also can start attending. Within a week, I'll announce a new batch in the Python. All people who are interested, those people can attend in the evening 8 to 9, both offline and online. Evening 8 to 9 daily 1 hour. This is for anybody, even October batch people also. Within a week, we are planning to start. So please, interested people, you can just come forward. It is also absolutely free. It is a part of your package. October batch, if you are very serious, if you are finding some extra time, then only look for Python. If you are an average student, finding difficulty on going through Java itself, and if you are scoring less than 40 marks in the weekly tests, then Python not advisable now. Every 2 months we'll start the Python batch. You can join after 2 months. So right from the scratch we'll be starting. Because of very few people are attending now, I'm thinking to start it right from the scratch. Even the people who are attending, those people also will start right from the scratch. So please take very serious, look for any of these three options. All people who are 18 or before, this is the best one. Let us focus more on project development for 1 month. August and September batch people, and even before batch also, like May, June, July. If you are very serious, if you are looking for good career growth and able to spend for 4 months, 3 months rigorous training, 1 month for placement, then Python, anybody, including October batch. If you have any specific queries on this, you can WhatsApp to me. Thank you. Jai Karo. All the best.